everyone, it's me, Delilah, and remember last week when we made the Season 5 Shopkins pack? That was pretty fun, and today we're opening another Season 5 Shopkins pack, and it looks so fun. I hope you enjoy my video. So far, we've got loads of lovely Shopkins and one bonus Shopkin charm in a blind bag and 2 blind boxes with mystery Shopkins and one big checklist. Here's all the Shopkins that I've got, and these are the charm Shopkins, and the 2 ones at the back are Cupcake Chic and Lippy Lips, and those are the ones I got on my last unboxing video, and these look very cute, and this cookie one is one of my all-time favorites, and you know why? It's because I love Cookie Swelsey, and you probably should check out her videos. This cookie charm is ultra rare, and I am quite excited what will be in the charms blind bag, and I'm excited. This is our second charm, and because I was so excited, then I decided to open this charm next, and I wonder what will be in here. Let me get this thing open. Came rolling away. It's called Dummy, and I think it's an ultra rare, and I actually think all the charms are ultra rare. These are all the 4 charms we've got, and I'll tell you all their names. We have Cookie and Lippy Lips and Dummy and Cupcake Chic. And they're so pretty and cute. This is Tommy Tambourine, and this is Common, and I'm lucky because now I've got 3 instruments, and I think this one is a Valentine's Day one, because usually Valentine's Day Shopkins are a bit like fadey. This is Sprinkly Cake, and it's a common Shopkin. This is a Sprinkly Cake from my last unboxing video, and it looks quite pretty, and finally, I've made my first match. And which one do you like best out of these 2? I think mine is the blue and pink Sprinkly Cake. This is Tiny Tissues, and it's common, but I wish it didn't look so sad. This is Penny Wish as well, and it's a common Shopkin, and it looks like it's holding a little cute pink bucket to put some water in it. This is Snorky, and this is a Shop Kid, which is common, and it's a pet kid, and I keep thinking it's a TV or a radio, and it looks more like TV or radio, but I really like it. This is Creamy Cookie Cupcake, and it's a rare Shopkin, and I wish it was a real Shopkin that was a cupcake so I can eat it, and I never actually saw a cupcake with a cookie in it. This is tennis bat and this coming, and I wish it was a real bat so I can use it to hit a ball with it. And this is one of the sporty Shopkins. This is cute fruit jello and this rare, and I'm actually not sure what flavour it will be. Maybe either apple or lime, and out of those two I wonder which one you like, apple or lime. I like limes better than apples. This is Brittany Brownie, which is a common, and it's a pekin, and I wonder what's on it. I think it's strawberry ice cream with some custard dripping down it. This is chalky croissant and it's common, and it looks more like a American football, and it looks quite cute, and it looks like some sort of sauce, some mustard dripping down it. Do you see that yellow stuff? It might be some sort of sauce or mustard. Now I'm going to open a blind box, and on my last unboxing video then I've gotten a special metallic one and it's silver, so I wonder what I'll get in this one. I hope it's something special like the metallic one. Let me just give it an open. Wow, it looks pretty, and I'll just be right back, and now I'm just going to check the name. I'll be right back. This is Clicky Mouse, and it's a special edition, and it's translucent, and it looks so cute, and it looks like it has a bit of water in it, and I think this is one of my favourites out of all of these. I wonder if the second blind box will be a glow in the dark. And it's a petkin. This is our second blue blind bag, and I wonder what it is. I hope it's a glow in the dark one. I'll just give it a little cute open. That's strange. It came in its own packet and it looks cute. I think it's a grass cutter because it looks like one. This is, drumroll please, lawn mower, and it's petkin, and it's rare, and that's actually quite weird. It came in its own packet. Anyway, thanks for watching my videos. Please press like and subscribe to my videos.